Welcome back to another breakdown where we discuss content creation, smart repurposing, and ultimately saving your sanity as a busy creator. Today I'm going to walk you through a tool that honestly changed how our entire shop approaches long-form video content management. The specific piece of software that has become indispensable for us is called Vizard. If you are the person producing long webinars, in-depth interviews, or hour-plus podcasts, you absolutely need to pay attention to this. If you need high-quality, snackable, and attention-grabbing clips without getting buried in manual editing work, stick around because this tool is a rare find. On this channel, I frequently demo various apps, and you've probably seen others like Munch, Opus, or a few popular AI video generators. Most of those existing tools are fantastic if your primary goal is simply taking a long file and chopping it into a stack of shorter segments. They handle the heavy lifting of detecting topics and spitting out raw cuts that still require significant manual polishing afterward. But here is the fundamental difference with Vizard that made me genuinely excited about their entire proposition. Vizard doesn't just cut your videos, it actively finds the moments that are most likely to go viral, polishes them, and creates ready-to-post assets that don't feel like raw edits. Let me explain the practical difference using a real-world workflow that we now follow every single week. For initial long-form sourcing, we still rely on tools that quickly find segments based on keywords, which is incredibly efficient. However, once you have that initial clip, you still face the manual decisions on captioning, B-roll placement, and the opening hook's strength. That is precisely the stage where Vizard steps in to take over the heavy lifting from editor to social manager. Instead of just being a clip generator, Vizard operates like a comprehensive editor plus a scheduler built right into the platform. This powerful combination helps push the finalized clip live in the correct format at the optimal time to maximize distribution. Jumping into the actual application is very easy and requires minimal setup time to get started immediately. You simply create a new project, upload your long MP4 file, and then Vizard begins its deep analysis across the entire recording. What immediately impressed me was the sheer speed at which the AI pinpoints those high engagement moments within your timeline. The system intelligently looks for peaks in vocal energy, shifts in sentiment, and those audience-worthy takes that translate well into standalone shorts. It will surface 10, 20, or however many bite-sized highlights it finds, and rank them dynamically based on their potential virality score. The real win, though, comes from the incredibly robust and automatic editing capabilities it offers for every clip. Vizard doesn't just trim the piece, it automatically frames the speaker, applies dynamic captions, and formats it perfectly for vertical, square, or landscape. The safe zone preview is crucial because it ensures your text won't get awkwardly cut off by platform usernames or timecode overlays. This feature alone saves me easily 10 minutes per clip that I used to spend on manual resizing and recaptioning every single time. Another massive efficiency gain is the ability to edit the transcript directly instead of making audio cuts to correct errors. If you want to instantly remove filler words like or you know from the visible text, you can do that without deleting any of the actual underlying audio track. This maintains the speaker's natural speaking cadence while making the on-screen text read much cleaner for every viewer. Now let's touch upon the visual polish, specifically the integration of B-roll footage into your highlights. Unlike other solutions where you manually place every clip, Vizard automatically recommends relevant B-roll based on the spoken context for you. You can swap suggested free footage for premium stock, or even your own uploaded assets, right inside the editor with just a few clicks. What truly separates Vizard from many other apps is this integrated approach combining creation, scheduling, and management features. The three standout functions are the auto-editing viral clips, the intelligent auto-scheduler, and the content calendar working together seamlessly. When you link those three functions, your pipeline from a raw hour-long recording to a month of optimized social posts becomes almost completely effortless. To be fair, tools like Munch and Opus excel at pure, fast clip extraction, but they leave the visual polish and scheduling work for you or another dedicated app. If your main goal is a more end-to-end flow that manages distribution right after editing, Vizard is definitely better suited for that comprehensive task. The pricing model tends to be far more creator-friendly than some enterprise platforms, while still offering useful team features like client review links. Technically, Vizard offers fantastic cross-platform export, allowing you to generate vertical, square, and landscape versions from the same master clip simultaneously. This automatic multi-format exporting capability eliminates a huge amount of repetitive resizing and recaptioning work every single day. A strong workflow tip is to use a lightweight finder tool first, then send the top candidates into Vizard for the final polish and scheduling push. This hybrid approach successfully nets you both high quantity from the initial sweep and high quality from Vizard's finishing touches. Ultimately, if you want to transform long content into a steady stream of high-quality shorts without marathon editing sessions, you absolutely must test Vizard.